Hi, my name is Austin Dorman, and I'm a certified funnel builder and ClickFunnels ambassador. And today we're going to talk about how to remove the ClickFunnels badge from your funnels and site. And before we start, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you don't already have a ClickFunnels account, go down to the description section to sign up for your free trial at ClickFunnels today. And also, too, there's some really awesome resources in the description section as well. So make sure you go check those out. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to walk through how to remove the ClickFunnels badge from your funnels. And so we're going to go to the top left corner to funnels. And then we're going to click on this first funnel right here. And then we're going to click on settings on the top right hand corner. So we have this option right here, hide powered by ClickFunnels badge. You could either have it as yes or no. And that's the first way that you could hide the powered by ClickFunnels badge. Now, the second way to do it is by going to the list of funnels. So we're going to go back, and then we're going to go all the way to the right and click on this little gear icon to edit the funnel. And then we're going to scroll down to the bottom, and we have this hide powered by ClickFunnels badge, and you can either have it enabled or yes, or you could toggle it off for no. So that's how you remove the ClickFunnels badge from your funnels. And now we're going to walk through how to remove the ClickFunnels badge from your site. So we're in our ClickFunnels main homepage, and we're going to go to site and blog and click overview. And then we're going to click on these three dots right here and then click site settings. And if you scroll down all the way down to the bottom, we have that same option, hide powered by ClickFunnels badge. You could either have a yes enabled or you could toggle it off for no. And that's how you remove the ClickFunnels badge from your funnels and sites. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me by booking a call in the description section or comment below underneath this video, and I'd love to help you out.